Ang sinasabi ko, madam, baseless yan kasi based on our investigation and unless otherwise, you can have a document under oath that indeed a certain family of victims clarified and dispute that data.
Okay po, Your Honor, noted po. Next
noted?
time. Yeah, noted
Anong
po
noted?
noted po na,
Tinatanong po kita kung may dokumento ka bang hawak, wala.
tulad po ng sagot ko kanina,
Hindi,
Your
sandali,
Honor.
you answer my question, Mr. Chairman.
Yes, I'm trying to answer, Your Honor.
Sandali po.
Apo.
Yes or no? Do you have the document? Under oath?
Sir, like I said,
Andale, yes or no? Remember, I am just asking you if you have the document or not under oath.
of the family who
Yeah.
reported?
Yeah.
None, sir.
Oh, none.
It's
Oh.
on the, like I said, it's a...
So none. You don't have.
Okay, sir. Next time po,
What's
kukuha
next
po muna-
time?
next time po, bago po tayo magsulat ng mga ganon, kailangan kumuha po muna tayo ng mga dokumento under oath. At hindi tayo basta magbabase sa sinasabi
Chair.
ng mainstream media.
Okay.
Mr. Chair,
Thank you.
I'd like to ask questions to MJ Kiambao, Miss Mary Jane Kiambao Reyes.
Yes, sir. Yes,
You
Your
made
Honor.
a statement when you were giving your statement that you base your blog on the truth, no? And that you are actually not biased. You are not pro Duterte. You are not pro Marcos. You said that. Am I right?
Your Honor, yes, sir. Although I also said in that same statement that yes, I can be biased, but I don't go below the belt. But as far as being pro or anti-Marcos and Duterte, I always try to remain objective.
Ms. Reyes,
Yes, sir.
I am
Yes,
the
Your
chairman
Honor.
of the Committee on Human Rights.
Yes, Your Honor.
I have records of EJK victims. And you made a statement, it says right here, to the International Criminal Court, global community, and world media. Is this not a pro-Duterte statement?
Can you please, sir, complete the whole...
No, not yet.
report
I'm
of
going to complete this. I'm just referring to the first statement, to the International Criminal Court, global community, and world media. It means that you want to tell that to the International Criminal Court. Am I right?
Dahil
And therefore, Mr. Chair, you do not agree for the former president to be held in the ICC. Am I right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, very good. Well, therefore, you are pro Duterte. Don't tell me you are not. All right?
Sir, can I...
No.
pwede po akong sumagot?
Let me ask another question to you. You said you need to see this. The so-called EJK victims under President Duterte, a massive hoax. Do you believe that, Mr. Chair?
Yes, sir. Again,
Where did you
yes,
get the information, Mr. Chair?
Your Honor, sana po mabasa ng buo yung aking...
Do you want me to give you documents on that?
Sir, I know what I posted, but I want the whole, the people here and the media to also see ano yung context ng aking isinulat para po maintindihan din nila
Ito
at
na
hindi
yung
lang
context,
maibase
Mr. Chair.
sa isang
You do not
statement
even
lamang.
need to complete this. Kung gusto mo
Sir,
kumbituhin ko,
yes,
ito
Your
ha.
Honor, I would
Ito, ha? Okay.
appreciate very much.
I'm going to
Mama.
complete this now. Okay,
Yes,
para
Your
marinig
Honor.
ng lahat.
Opo.
The so-called EJK victims under President Duterte, a massive hoax.
Okay.
Sa akin, mali. I have documents to show.
Yes, Your Honor,
All right,
that is
now
your
you
truth,
said.
and I also have my truth.
Please.
May I remind the resource person to, again, patapusin muna yung interpolator before you answer.
Okay po, salamat po, Mr. Chair. And sige po, so, kung pwede po, ibigay na lahat ng tanong at mabigyan din po kami ng pagkakataon na sumagot nang wala ring interruption
Of
sana.
course, you will be
Opo.
given your opportunity to answer. Pero patapusin muna talagang interpolator, that is
Sige
a
po,
ruling,
Mr. Chair.
before the resource person. Wag po tayo magsapawan.
Opo, Mr. Chair, maraming salamat.
Okay, Mr. Chair, let me continue on. You said, the anti-Duterte propagandist. So alam ko na kung ano yung bias mo, di ba? May bias ka na rito eh. Oo. Okay, likely funded by drug cartels, terrorists, corrupt politicians, greedy oligarchs, and narco-politicians are desperately trying to manipulate the global narrative. What did you get the information about that, Mr. Chair?
Pwede na po akong...
Go ahead. Sige.
Yes, Mr. Chair, pwede na po akong sumagot?
Yes.
Okay. Doon po sa mga nauna niyo pong tanong, kung saan, ang sabi ko nga po ay hoax. Ang pinagbabasehan ko po doon ay yung mga naglalabasan ngayon na panibagong impormasyon, kita naman po ito sa social media, ano po, kung saan yung mga napabilang na EJK, yung mga nagpakita ng picture ng mga anak nila na namatay daw sa EJK, actually ay hindi po connected sa EJK. At yung iba po ay buhay na buhay naman po. That's why, ang sabi ko nga ay hoax dahil yung mga pinakita ng mga nagrarally at pinapakita nila na namatay sa EJK ay hindi naman po patay.
Mr. Chair,
Mr.
nag-a-attend ba kayo ng Quadcom hearing? Mr. Chair? Nag-a-attend ba kayo ng Quadcom hearing? Yung mga biktima ng EJK ay nandoon at nagkaroon pa sila ng prayer rally, Mr. Chair. Nag-attend ba kayo ng Quadcom hearing?
You can answer.
Mr. Chair, okay, salamat po at pagkakataong sumagot. Yes, nakapanood na po ako ng Quadcom at napanood ko rin po yung mga latest na ganap ngayon kung saan may isang Aling Sheila, Aling Lori, Aling another mother, kung saan yun po, yung mga anak nilang pinapakitang namatay sa EJK ay hindi naman po. Doon po, yun po yung pinanggagalingan ng aking isinulat na opinyon. Yun po ay reaksyon at opinyon sa mga nabalitaan ko po sa social media. At sa mga news online. Again, those are my personal reaction and opinion on the current events.
Mr. Chair, ang hirap nun, makakabalita ka ng anuman, tapos you're going to put up an opinion, and you want to let the people believe it's the truth. Yun ang problema dyan eh. Facts. Then, sinabi mo, they want you to believe that every young life lost was at the hands of our people's President, Rody Duterte. This is a blatant lie.
That is my, pwede na pong sumagot, Your Honor?
Yes, go ahead. Sige.
Opo.
Go ahead.
Again, that is my truth. Those are my opinion. And nakabase naman din po yan sa mga available information. Ngayon, makikita po natin na yun nga po, may mga EJK victims nga raw na hindi naman pala.
Raw.
Yun nga po, sabi, yung raw po, I'm
Therefore,
referring...
you have no right to say it's a massive hoax.
Mr. Chairman, with the indulgence of Chairman.
Yes, Mr.
Ma'am,
Congressman
yung
Paduano.
sinasabi mong mga facts ngayon na lumalabas, is it an official document coming from those investigation by government agencies, by Quadcom, or just a mere in the social media accounts?
Sir, Your Honor, if I'm not mistaken, nasa newspaper na rin po yan.
Sandali
But of
sandali
course,
po.
nauna-
Sandali. Nasa newspaper. Pero ang tinatanong ko po, anong source ng newspaper? Is it an official document or findings of the Human Rights Commission?
I have yet-
Absolutely, ma'am,
Yes,
madam,
Your Honor.
absolutely not. Because during our hearing, the Quadcom, all those victims, yung mga families na nandun, was confirmed by Human Rights Commission.
Okay, Your Honor,
In fact, we have all the list.
Your Honor, can I also answer now, kung pwede po?
Okay.
Lumabas po na may mga kapatid, yung mga biktima, na sila po mismo ang nagdi-deny doon sa mga ibinabalita ngayon
Mr. Chair,
Yes.
Mr. Chair,
Chairman.
I'd like to interject for a while here, while you're answering. Ang binabanggit mo, may nabalitaan ka? May nabalitaan ka? Oh, I mean, my goodness, if you would like to be a resource person here in this committee, kinakailangan meron kang basis, meron kang tunay na basis, meron kang dokumento na masasabi. Sapagkat, Luka, ang Commission on Human Rights, for example, nag-imbestiga ng EJK at maraming nakita. Kami, in my Committee of Human Rights, marami kaming nakita. Oo. Samantalang ikaw, sinasabi mo, massive hoax ito. Wag naman, Mr. Chair. Oh, gusto kong maniwala sa statement mo kanina. Pero ngayon, itong statement na ito, hindi na maganda eh. Oh, nagsabi ka pa ng facts. Some of these so-called victims died years before or after
Yes.
Duterte's presidency. Where'd you get the information?
Nasa balita po, Your Honor. Yung iba po ay namatay ngayong last year lang po,
Madam.
2024.
Mr. Chairman,
Opo.
Madam, sa Quadcom po, sa hearing namin, at it was confirmed by Human Rights Commission, lahat po na nakalista doon, under our records, was confirmed by Human Rights Commission. Wala po doon yung prior and after
Wait lang po, kasi ako-
ng Duterte's administration. And, Mr. Chairman, kindly, let me just remind that, sir, is he your counsel?
No, sir.
Oh.
From the House of Representatives po siya. Ay,
From the House?
nagpapapirma po. Sabi ko mamaya na kasi busy pa po tayo.
Anyway, madam,
Apo.
ma'am,
Yes,
wala
Your
po
Honor.
Now you're talking about those mga disclaimer ng family. Now, ang tanong ko po, is it documented, under oath? Do you have a document for that? Or just a mere media reports?
Alin po, sir, yung tinatanong po ninyong documented or
Hindi,
media
yung
reports?
sinasabi mo na may mga families of victims na dininay, na-refute yung claims.
Posted po ng mga
Ayun nga
kamag-anak
problema,
nila, and
posted
then,
sa social
opo,
media.
and
Ang sinasabi ko, madam, baseless yan kasi based on our investigation, and unless otherwise, you can have a document under oath that indeed a certain family of victims clarified and dispute that data.
Okay po, Your Honor, noted po. Next
noted?
time. Yeah, noted
Anong
po
noted?
noted po na,
Tinatanong po kita kung may dokumento ka bang hawak, wala.
tulad po ng sagot ko kanina,
Hindi,
Your
sandali,
Honor.
you answer my question, Mr. Chairman.
Yes, I'm trying to answer, Your Honor.
Sandali po.
Apo.
Yes or no? Do you have the document under oath?
Sir, like I said,
Andale, yes or no? Remember, I am just asking you if you have the document or not under oath.
of the family who
Yeah.
reported?
Yeah.
None, sir.
Oh, none.
It's
Oh.
on the, like I said, it's a...
So
they-
none. You don't have.
Okay, sir. Next time po,
What's
kukuha
next
po muna-
time?
next time po, bago po tayo magsulat ng mga ganon, kailangan kumuha po muna tayo ng mga dokumento under oath. At hindi tayo basta magbabase sa sinasabi
Chair.
ng mainstream media.
Okay.
Mr. Chair,
Thank you.
let me continue on the
Representative
statement
Abante.
he said.
Yes.
Sinabi niya, facts to nakalagay, facts. Many are completely unrelated to drugs or EJKs. Some of them are still very much alive. You said you do not have any documents on that. Now look, Miss
MJ na lang po. Para hindi po
Miss MJ,
po.
you are accountable to the victims and you are accountable to us in the Quadcom. Pinasinungalingan mo kami. pinasanulingan mo ang mga victims. Now look, if you do not apologize right now, you listen.
Yes, Your Honor.
If you do not apologize, I am going to make a motion to hold you in contempt.
I apologize, sir. And tulad nga po ng sabi ko kanita, sa susunod po ay maghahanap na lang po muna tayo ng mga under
Yun.
oath. At
Okay
hindi
to,
po
ha?
tayo magre-rely sa mga balita ng news.
Salamat
na.
po.
Okay po.
Kaya
Maliwanag
fake news. Yun ang ibig sabihin, non-fake news. Ito, tutuloy ko
Salamat din po, Your Honor.
Ito sinabi nyo, ikaw, binanggit mo na ito and this is something that you should apologize also. Anong sabi mo? Do not let these criminal forces twist reality to turn a strong, decisive leader into a monster. Now let me ask you, who are these criminal forces?
Ms. MJ, please answer.
Okay. I have this, kasi tulad ng sabi ko, ito po ay mga reaction at opinion ko lamang.
Well, therefore you apologize because this is
okay
not
po,
true.
sir. Okay, sir. I apologize.
Okay, Mr. Chair, this is the second time that Ms. MJ has apologized. I hope that next time, kayong mga vloggers, wag kayong magbibigay ng opinion lang, impression ninyo. Ibigay nyo yung katotohanan, may dokumento kayo. Sapagkat meron kaming documents to show Naiinsulto ko, I am insulted with your statement. Being the chairman of the Committee on Human Rights and one that's investigating, I am actually insulted with your statement.
Again, my apologies, sir, and noted po sa mga suggestions po ninyo. At gusto ko lang din pong sabihin na yung pong post has nothing to do with you. Hindi po, it has nothing to do with, pasensya na po.
Well, Mr. Chair, maraming salamat, no? Yung binabanggit mong nothing to do with me, pero yung tinawag mong criminal forces, kasama kami dun ikaw naman, mag-isip naman kayo. Ang hirap nito, Mr. Chair, itong mga vloggers na iba, ito ang mga tanga Tatanga-tanga ang gobyerno. Mag-isip kayo. Hindi lang sumusulat kayo kung anong gusto nyo isulat dyan. You're telling us, yung criminal forces, gusto kong sabihin ngayon, Mr. Chair, publicly, ikaw ang tanga.
Okay, Your Honor, pero
Mr. Chairman. Mr. Chairman.
Representative Ponduano.
Mr. Chairman, just a matter of protocol. May I move to strike out the statement of the Chairman Abante
Second.
addressed to MJ.
Second, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Any objection? There being none, the uttered words is stricken off. Any further questions?
I rest, Mr. Chair, and thank you so much. I'm not angry at you, Miss MJ. We're just ferreting the truth here.
okay, Your Honor. Pero again, hindi ko po alam kung saan nyo po nakukuha yung idea nyo na kayo yung criminal forces. Hindi po. Anyway, again,
Ikaw ang Mr. Chair.
Okay po, sir.
Ikaw ang
My
sumulat
apologies. Yes. Okay. My
Sinulat
apologies,
mo
sir.
yun
Okay po. Tanga po ako, sir.
My goodness.
Okay, we now proceed to the next interpellator.